Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the SANSCO 5MP Power over Ethernet CCTV security system. Link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I'll take everything out of the box. Before I do, remember if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. Before we start, just to point out, we get 4 cameras inside the box. I've only taken out 1. We also get 4 Ethernet cables. I've only taken out 1. First thing, a quick start guide. It lets you know in here if you want to view the cameras on your smartphone or tablet, you need to download the XMI app, which is available for Android and Apple. 18 meters of Ethernet cable. Quality seems decent. In each camera box, there are 3 screws, 3 wall plugs and an Allen key. Some fixtures to stop water getting into the connector when you put the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port of the camera. You'd put that around. Camera itself. The camera is made out of metal. It's IP66 waterproof. It's got some foam padding. 1 cable coming out that splits into 2. That's a power cable and an Ethernet port. But I won't be needing the power port because I'm going to be plugging the Ethernet port one end here and the other end would go into the NVR box. The NVR box will be powering the camera as well. A place there to remove this. 3 holes there for the screws, of course, and you could adjust the camera from here. You can see there. A built-in sun guard. If I just remove the sticker, you won't be able to see this, but that's a microphone there because these do pick up audio. Day-night sensor there and the 3.6mm lens. It has 18 infrared lights. Night vision is between 15 to 20 meters. Power brick, a power cord, a USB mouse that lights up red. I have reviewed other SANSCO cameras as well on my channel. That's why I know that lights up red. If you want to watch them reviews, I will link them down in the description box below and in the iCard. The NVR box, it's a nice size this. Some branding there, HDD, power, IR, but you don't get a remote with this. That's what it looks like from there. So it looks like from there. We'll have a look at the bottom first and then we'll move up the back. These 4 screws there, they hold in the hard disk drive. This comes with a pre-installed 1 terabyte hard disk drive, which can be upgraded to 6 terabyte if you want. It's letting us know that it's a 4-channel power over Ethernet 5MP NVR. Looking at the back, power on off, DC port, 4 power over Ethernet ports, internet port. You don't need to use that, but if you do use that, you can view the cameras online. But they haven't provided an RJ45 cable, so you'll need your own. They also haven't provided an HDMI cable. You will need your own as well. VGA and HDMI, 2 USB ports. One's for the mouse and the other one is to take footage of the hard drive from the NVR box and move it onto your USB stick. Let's make a start at putting all the cables in. First thing, we get the power brick, put the power cord into it. The barrel type would go into the DC part. Ethernet cable, that would go in there. The other end would go into the camera. The mouse, you could put it in any. HDMI cable. The other end would go into my monitor. And of course that would go into the mains socket. This step, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it because I will be downloading the app. But if you don't want to download the app, you could still set this up and the cameras will be working. They will record footage to the NVR box. But if you want to view the cameras online, then you will need an Ethernet cable. So that goes in there. And the other end would go to my router or power line adapter or even the Wi-Fi booster if you have a Wi-Fi booster. Because if you're in a room where you can't reach the router, you could put this to a Wi-Fi booster. Okay, we'll power everything on now. I've just powered it on. The mouse does light up red. Okay. Welcome to the configuration wizard. Next. Okay. Username admin, and by default there's no password. Just press OK. The password is unsafe, please change it. OK. I'll change it later on. Alright, okay, I've got to select one now. I'll quickly do that off camera. Okay, I've picked a password. Please complete the following information to reset your password later. Safety question. Okay. Next, I need to select the time and date. Next. I could skip this, but I'm going to connect it to the internet. So I'll do this now. There we are, it's connected. It's configuring, it's configured. Next. There we are, it's letting us know one camera is connected and the other three are offline at the moment. Let's go next. You have successfully completed the setup wizard. Thank you for choosing our products. Okay. We're all set up now. If I left click here, it's brought up. We've got date and time there. These cameras also have AI facial recognition. On the right side here, that's faces the camera has picked up. As soon as it sees a face, it snaps it and it brings it up on the right hand side. At the bottom here, we have some more options: mute, output adjust, network connection, and so on. To get to the menus, we right click the menu options here. So we've got main menu, that's record. Let's click on record. So channel 1, length is 60 minutes. Week, all week recording as well. Okay. Got snapshot. Okay. Playback, timeline, and then start, stop, and stuff. Okay, then we've got backup, alarm, intelligent alert, abnormality, and traditional alarm. If you go on intelligent alert, you could set up motion detection, system, general. We've done that, the date and time, code. So it's resolution 5 megapixel. Yep, and it's recording at H.265. So I'm going to compress this. The rest of the recording is in H.264 and it's a 1080p timeline. So you will see a slight reduction in the quality when I upload it to YouTube because YouTube compressed the file as well. Frame rate is 20, bitrate quality high. You could go to higher, highest. Let's go to a higher. This one here is extra stream. That's what you'll get to see on your mobile. Video, audio, that's on. Smart network. We're all up and connected on that part. Net service. You could set up for email alerts as well. Display resolution 1080p. That's the highest I could go on my monitor. But if you did have a better monitor, you could view the footage in 2K. To digital. Okay. Advanced storage. So letting us know we have a 1 terabyte hard drive, and I'm going to format the storage. It's very important to do this. This option will clear the storage. Click OK. I will click OK because it's got nothing on it at the moment. So it's very important to format. Account, online user, output adjust, restore. So if you've made any changes to the system, you could restore it here. Upgrade, device info, and then import, export. So backing up the footage. Info, that's the info for this NVR box. Log out. Click out of that. Right click again. Then we've got quick set. That's already configured. We was on this page at the start. It's letting us know that one camera is connected. Just cancel that for now. I'll exit out of here. Right click. Record mode. All 1, 2, 3, 4. Schedule, manual, stop, playback, face detection. We've got color settings, split menu, PTZ. That doesn't apply to this system. Output adjust, net detect, and log out. If you want to zoom in, you just left click, draw that box, and click in it, and it'll zoom in. At this stage, I would normally walk you through the app, but unfortunately, I had to delete the app because it was asking permission to manage my phone calls. It has an option there where you press only whilst using the app or deny. I selected deny. Every time I clicked deny, it wouldn't let me go any further, so I uninstalled it. I wasn't comfortable with that on my mobile. However, if you want to download the app on your phone or on your tablet, I'll just quickly show you where you'd need to go. You'd right click and you'd go to where it says IPC. Over here, this part that's covered, that's the serial number. You'll need to scan that in, and then the app would link up to the cameras. I will go ahead now and show you some daytime and nighttime footage. For the price, you cannot go wrong with these cameras. Do bear in mind the image quality you lot have seen is slightly reduced to what I got to see, because as I mentioned before, I had to convert them, and then YouTube also put their compression on as well. I really like the AI feature. It's really fast. It snaps the face straight away and it brings the picture on the right hand side of the screen, so you could see who's at your door, or if you're not in, who's been at your property. Only thing that lets these cameras down is the app. A way around that is if you download it to your tablet. If your tablet isn't connected to your phone, then you could use it on your tablet. I will link it down below if you want to pick it up. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.